Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Do you need some neon in your life? Well, let's party. This Let's Party sign sits so pretty in the living room window and lights up the room with a fun atmosphere. But it even looks better illuminating the fun pink neon light at nighttime. I appreciate that it can hang because of the convenient two holes placed on the sign, and I use a simple twine to hang it. I like how it lights up and can make any room ready to have fun for any age group. I think you will love it too. And I just love its simple design. It has different settings of brightness that you can choose from. It's your choice on how much glow you choose to have the Let's Party atmosphere, illuminate, and have a great time. This neon sign doesn't just tell you to have fun, it is fun. And that's just my point of view.